To determine the best carrier between Boost Mobile and T-Mobile in 2025, we must first understand what each provider offers. Boost Mobile is a prepaid carrier that operates on the T-Mobile network, offering affordable plans with no contract. T-Mobile, on the other hand, is a major carrier with a wide range of plans, including prepaid and postpaid options. When comparing the two carriers, consider the coverage area. T-Mobile has a more extensive network, covering over 99% of the United States. Boost Mobile, as a prepaid carrier, relies on T-Mobile's network, so its coverage area is similar. However, Boost Mobile may have some limitations in rural areas. Next, examine the plans and pricing. Boost Mobile offers several prepaid plans, starting at around $35 per month for unlimited talk, text, and data. T-Mobile also offers a range of plans, including its popular Magenta plan, which starts at around $60 per month for one line. T-Mobile's plans often include additional features, such as international coverage and streaming perks. Another important consideration is data speeds. T-Mobile has been investing heavily in its 5G network, offering fast data speeds in many areas. Boost Mobile, as a prepaid carrier, may have slower data speeds, especially in areas with high network congestion. In terms of customer service, T-Mobile generally receives higher ratings, with a wide range of support options, including online chat, phone support, and in-store assistance. Boost Mobile also offers customer support, but it may be more limited. Ultimately, the choice between Boost Mobile and T-Mobile depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for an affordable prepaid plan with no contract, Boost Mobile may be the better option. However, if you need a wide range of plans, extensive coverage, and fast data speeds, T-Mobile may be the better choice. To make the most of your carrier, consider the following best practices. First, check the coverage area in your location to ensure you have a strong signal. Next, choose a plan that fits your needs, considering factors such as data usage and international coverage. Finally, take advantage of additional features, such as streaming perks and customer support, to get the most out of your plan. By following these steps and considering your individual needs, you can make an informed decision and choose the best carrier for your mobile needs in 2025.